It ain't the prettiest, but it's going to get the job done. All right, this is going to be about polishing a crankshaft journal if you just got to polish it up and you're not going to bring it to a machine shop. This crank here, it's got a scar journal on it, and I'm going to show you guys how I polish this thing out. Here's a before visual of that journal that we're going to be polishing. As you can see, it's got a pretty decently good scar in there. That right there, that lighter color, that's going to be your bearing material. And then up here you can see where it got a little bit hot, and it's got a little bit of a groove in there. It's not like the whole width of the journal or anything, so we're going to polish it up best we can. Here's a quick visual of what I'm using. I got this 400 grit stone. I'm going to knock off any high spots in the crank, just barely touch it up with this. I'm going to take me a strip of 600 grit sandpaper on a shoestring and polish it up. I'm going to move to some steel wool, try and make it a little bit better. Then I'm going to cut up this rag and use this metal polish to really get this thing a nice good polished shine on it. Alright, I got my string wrapped around there, and I'm just going to rub it back and forth and get that thing all polished up. Make sure you get it squirted down with some kind of lubricant like WD-40 or something before you start sanding on it. Okay, now I'm just going to do the same thing with some steel wool. Let's see if I can get this stuff to cooperate right, which I cannot. Yeah, next step, we got polish here. Just using this stuff, whatever it is, Mother's, I don't know, metal polish. All right, I'm just gonna slather that on there. Yeehaw. And so there it is.